Shada's putting the headlight bracket on. It all lines up pretty good. Even though the fender was hit right here, it didn't really touch where the headlight bracket bolts onto, so that's a good sign for us.
Yeah, we didn't have to make any new adjustment.
Right, less work. The hardest part of this whole thing is going to be figuring out all. Can you pull that out? Yeah.
Look at all these wires, guys. How are we going to figure out all these wires? And over here, you know what it is? There's secondary air pump.
Yeah.
The headlight reservoir. There's
the
horn,
headlight washer reservoir.
reservoir, horn, and the headlight.
The windshield washer reservoir and the headlight washer, the motors as well.
Well, that's one unit. This is the motor.
Okay, got it. Yep.
So this is the motor, but what pipes goes into here, into the reservoir itself, that's gonna be an issue. Then we need to figure out which ones are the horn, which one goes to the secondary air injection, which one goes to the airbag as well.
The airbag sensor, yeah.
Yeah, because there's a sensor right here. If you on the other side, we already installed it.
Yeah.
But for over here, because it was hit, I don't know which wire is that.
There are a few wires that don't have. The hard part is not having the connectors on the wire, like this. Also, like the LEDs in the bumper, like all that other stuff as well.
Yeah.
That's separate than the headlight.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be a big puzzle. So move on to the next. Let's do the headlight washer. The big part that goes in here. Okay? Let me pull that part out.
That's secondary air pump.
Okay, Ren, so here is the headlight washer, and this one is actually heated.
It's heated?
It's heated. So when the headlight washer and the windshield washer, the fluid goes out, it's heated for cold weather.
Yeah, heated. This is the first I've ever seen that before. But
anyways, this is what it is. So we're gonna install it now. Okay, super easy. Alright, so this is the driver side headlight that we got for the car. We have the passenger side, but this one, this side was hit, so we had to get a new headlight for it. It's actually used, and it's from another AMG with the night package.
alright, so headlight is ready to be mounted. We figured out all the wiring. Even though all the connectors were broken and whatnot, we got everything labeled. Some of it was for the horn, some of it was for the daytime running light, the LEDs. One came down under the condenser for the, I want to say the air conditioner. What else was there? There was the signal. Was it the signal? The bulb. Yeah, another daytime running bulb or something? Not
the side marker.
Side marker, okay.
Yeah.
And then airbag sensor and the ambient temperature sensor. So we figured all that out. We just compared it to the other side. That was pretty easy. We just have to buy the other ends. So let's get this thing bolted on.
Okay, so we just finished installing the headlight, and everything is tight. All the brackets are on and the headlight washer is connected as well. And now I'm gonna move on to installing the oil cooler, which is that black part right there, the bracket for the oil cooler. Up to now we were just using a zip tie to hold the oil cooler. These are the brackets. This is for the passenger side and that's for the driver side. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the oil cooler brackets. I also installed the air 8. This basically puts air into the oil cooler, and there's another vent on the other side. That one is to take it out. Okay, so the next step is to install the radiator support that connects both sides. And the first step is to put these, I think it's just for radiator support, so it's gonna prevent the radiator from moving. There is one on the side and there is one on the side.
What's up everybody? Today's another day at the garage. We have a few updates to the AMG projects here. Shada already assembled, put together the whole passenger side of the car. Coming on to this side, we got some other wiring done. Shada got the secondary air pump mounted. He's got the oil cooler ducting.
Just like a V.
Yeah, so the air is forced through and then down.
Yeah. And then I installed all those brackets, so now it's not moving. It's basically mounted to the radiator, and I put the radiator support on as well. Pretty much everything's done from the passenger side up to here. Right now all we're gonna do is put the headlight on. Now it's looking like a real car.
Oh yeah. You want to take the hood off?
Let's do it.
Right? lift it. It's closer to the. Okay. Got it. Alright guys, so headlights are on, coolant system is all buttoned up, ducting is buttoned up, Shade is putting the last bit of oil in, we swapped out the hood, only thing left is the bumper and the grill, but we're getting a little antsy, so what do you think, Shade? I think it's time to turn on the car.
Let's turn it on just in case. If there's something goes wrong, you know, we have the bumper off and
Right.
we could tackle it easier.
Yeah, so let's do that.
Yep. Alexa, open garage door.
Everything looks good. Everything's connected. Most important stuff is coolant right now. I'm sure there's gonna be a bunch of lights on the dash, right?
Yes. Should we do it? Starting right up. Right up.
What's that?
Starting right up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
You wanna try the horn?
Yeah, let me try it. Oh, okay. It rubs so nicely, but